Hi guys, in the last video we have seen arrays and list. In this video we will see loop, string, set and map. So as a string ABCD, you can directly print this as you can see the output in as. You can loop through a string like this. It will show you the output of the string at index I. Okay, so you can define a string like this. Now let's move to one more thing is there. If you want to convert any string to integer, you can convert using parse int like this. Integer b equal to integer dot parse int and pass it. Okay. If you want to see the output, you can see it is a 12. Now let's move to set. There is something called as has set. Let's it with integer set new has set. You can insert anything like in set dot add 1, set dot add 2, this out set dot size. It will print the size of the set. If you want to print the element in the set, then you have to integer I insert this. Okay, so you can see like this. This is the simple definition of set and how you will define it. And there are also like has set new there are many set in Java. There is like has set, linked list, linked set or tree set. So let's see the difference between them. Set 2 equal to new this is the second type, and one more is there has set integer set 3 equal to new 3 has set 3 set. Okay, so you can see like this. Okay, so you can see there are different types of sets. So basically the use of has set is it will store the elements in the random order and no duplicate integer will be there. Similarly in linked list you can see the input will be in the same as input order. In tree set it will be same as the sorting. Basically tree set will store the sorted element in element, and the elements will be unique. If you want to see, I can show you. Set 3 dot add 3, set 3 dot add 4, set 3 dot add 1, and if you will see the output in set 3, set 3, it will be sorted. Okay, so you can see here 1 3 4 is sorted, and similarly if I will do it with set 2, it will be in the same as the input order, but the elements will be unique. Set 2, set 2, set 2, and let's insert one more element. Add 1, add 3. Let's see. What a minute. Okay, now see. Set 2 is there. Okay, here's the set. Okay, now see what the output. Okay, convert it to set 2. So you can see that the order is same as in the input order. Okay, so basically this is this part. This is same as the set int s in CPP. This will be sorted. This will be in the same as the input order, and this will be random and unique. Both will, all the three will be unique. And now see map, how map is going to work. Hash map, integer, hash map, new hash map. Okay, so let's see how to insert element in hash map. Hash map dot put insert 1, insert 10, hash map dot put 2. It will contain the unique key and its pair associated to it. Okay, if you want to see the size of hash map, dot size, it will print the size of the hash map, that is 2. First I comment this part. Okay, so now you can see the size of the hash map will be 2. Now how to iterate over the hash map? You can iterate over the hash map using something called as entry set. This is really different as compared to C++. If you are used to C++, then it will be definitely be different for you. So you can see here hash map, okay, So it's just like hasmap dot entry set entry dot that is something called as integer. So you can see there is something called as entry, and you have to traverse through the map using this only. Okay, let's see the output of this. Here it will be, I think, map dot entry dot hasmap. This will be something called a variable me dot get key, and it will print the get value of that. I don't know why it's showing error. Let me check. Okay, I haven't imported map. Now okay, fine. So that's not will be here. That's nothing error, and you can see the output. Okay, 110 to 20. So for this video we are over till for now. And okay, one more thing. Last day you have asked about difference between int and integer. So these both are used in Java, and both are having different meaning in Java. So you can see the major difference between both that int is primitive while integer is of class type. So basically int helps in storing integer value into memory, or integer helps in converting int into object and convert an object into int as per requirement. So I think that is important. So basically this is primitive, and this will be your class type data. So I think you understand the difference between int and integer. Similarly, you can convert a string into integer. You can use set, and if you want to use the set in sorted way, then this is something tree set you have to use. And for hasmap, similarly put and this is something you will get entry. Using entry you will traverse the entire map, and if you want to get the key, then you can use like this hasmap dot get, and this will give you the key 1. Okay, so let's see what's the output. Let's see what's the output. So okay, so 10, you can see you can directly get the output of this also in using the hasmap dot get. In the next video we will see something related to object oriented, that will be class interface enum. Okay, and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for upcoming video.